Oh, you're going?
Good afternoon, Panthers, and welcome to your Monday announcements. Today is April 15th, and we have a lot of information about the events happening on the Panther campus this week. Let's get you started with the information you need to know.
Get more active on campus. Make sure to join one of our amazing clubs.
We have our Mountain View Christian Club, Art Club, Esports Club, Club 7, 6, 7, and 8, and JBA.
For more information on the clubs, make sure to join their Google Classroom pages. The code are below in the description box.
Get out and make new friends and try something different.
We have 2 weeks until state testing begins. Testing starts on Monday, May 6th. Be ready to do your best on the test. Bring your charged Chromebook every day and headphones or earbuds. Get a good night's sleep. Make sure to eat breakfast and get ready to show what you know.
State testing is coming in May. It's very important for you to have a charged Chromebook with you every day for testing. If you have any Chromebook issues, please let your 4th period teacher know now.
Have you ever wanted to know how to find a career related to the esports industry?
Are you a person who is good at it? Explain how to play a game.
Are you interested in computer technology?
Do you want to learn how to run a business and manage a team?
Think you can have what it takes to be a streamer or shoutcaster?
Then join Esports program. We not only compete in games, but you can learn how your interest and passion for video games can be used to make money.
Attention Panthers, we have another amazing opportunity for you to do something different. On May 17th, we will be going to see a stage play in the Heights, a musical by Lin-Manuel Miranda, the creator of Hamilton. The field trip will cost $10. Permission slips will need to be in before May 1st. See Miss Largey in C47 for more information and a permission slip. See you there.
Remember, Panthers, to show your pride on campus, model behaviors of perseverance, responsibility, integrity, determination, and excellence. Have a great day, Panthers. Panther Pride, Panther Nation, Panther Pride.